Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can input the microSD memory card on OPPO A60. So if you have been wondering if it's possible to use a memory card, then the answer is yes. In order to use the memory card, we will need to use the pin that is included inside the box of the device. Now on the left side over here we have the SIM tray, and inside the SIM tray of course we can also find the slot for the memory card. Over here we have the hole, and we need to put the pin inside this hole. Push it in order to take out the tray slightly, and then use your fingers in order to take it out completely. Over here I had my SIM card already, but here we can find the memory SD slot, which should go like this. There we go. The tray is really loose, so we have to be careful, as it is really easy to drop the micro SD card, so be careful with that. But once you have the micro SD card inside the tray, oops, as you can see, yeah, it's really easy to lose it. But once you have it inside, then we can put it back in. It's really annoying sometimes, but eventually you should be able to put it back in. Here we go. Whoops, I missed it. Back to the smartphone. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.